teacher is using didactic approach to cover wide range of topics. Which method is being referred? Letter A, inductive method. Letter B, expository method. Letter C, project method. Or letter D, laboratory. What is our choice? Another term, no? Another term for our didactic approach is expository. Expository po ito. When you say expository, explanation, no? Direct method. It is a type of approach kung saan explain si teacher, no? So, expository method or didactic approach yung ating hinahanap. Okay? Inductive, remember, inductive kasi hindi po siya po pwedeng maging choice niyo kasi inductive is student-centered. Student-led kasi siya, di ba? Nag-uumpisa sila sa examples. Magbibigay muna sila sa examples. So, medyo time-consuming yung inyong inductive method. Hindi po siya po pwedeng gamitin to cover a wide range of topics, no? Project method, it's also student-led. Ganon din naman sa lab, di ba? So, hindi po pwede yung the rest of your choices. Letter B, ang ating tumpak na choice.